please ensure that you have read and understood all instructions on the screen before undertaking this job. Start by parking the vehicle on flat, level ground with the handbrake applied. Turn the vehicle off and ensure both front and rear wheels are suitably chocked and the vehicle is safely secured before proceeding. Today we're going to be installing a fuel filter guard on the PY Ford Ranger, also known as the Next Gen Ranger. If your vehicle is already fitted with the Superior Engineering PY Ranger bash plates, then you'll need to start by removing the 10mm spacer included in this kit that is located on the filter side of the gearbox or passenger side of the vehicle up in the crossmember, and replace it with the 6mm spacer included in this kit. Now we can move to the passenger side of the vehicle and start by installing the filter guard nut plate into the outer chassis rail by using the slot in the chassis to feed it inside. The next threaded plate will be slotted into the gearbox crossmember from the top side of this crossmember. Placing the filter guard into position, make sure the 6mm spacer is in between the filter guard and the vehicle's crossmember. We can then thread each bolt into the nut plates that have been installed into the chassis rail and crossmember, making sure that a split washer and bolt head protector have been installed on these bolts, and then it can be tightened up to finger tight. We then install 262 Loctite on all bolts and fully tighten to spec as per the spec on the screen. Once this is installed, your fuel filter is fully protected, it's ready to hit the tracks.